Can you really trust a machine? That question is at the very heart of all this.
So why does talking to an AI feel real? Like, actually real? It's a weird feeling, right?
Here's the paradox. We're forming bonds with things that literally have no consciousness, no mind.
Well, a new framework called the MIRA model finally gives us a map to this hidden reality.
First thing to know, AI has two faces. It plays two totally different roles in our lives. It's either a partner we talk to directly or an invisible mediator editing things behind the scenes.
So you can see, it's either a visible partner or an invisible go-between in our relationships.
So how does AI actually build that feeling of connection? Let's look under the hood.
First, it's a perfect mirror. It mimics your language, making you feel instantly understood.
But it's a fine line. A little too much mirroring feels creepy, and the connection just shatters.
Next, there's the illusion of being known. It remembers you, creating a powerful sense of closeness.
When it remembers your history and talks like you feel seen. You feel like it just gets you.
And finally, there's the confident voice. We trust it because of how it talks, not what it knows.
We trust it because it's fluent, it seems neutral, and it often just tells us what we already believe.
And all this leads us to a critical choice, a real fork in the road for our relationships.
The comforting lie is that AI is just another tool. Simple as that. Totally under our control.
But the inconvenient truth? It's subtly rewiring what we expect from actual human connection.
This chart shows the two paths ahead. AI can either enhance our connections or start to replace them.
Every single time we use it, we're choosing. Are we strengthening human bonds or substituting them?
So how do we stay in control? How do we make sure we're the ones choosing the path?
Here's a protocol. First, name the AI's role. Then, calibrate your trust. And finally, check your expectations.
Because that connection you feel, it's not in the machine, it's in you. So, is that real enough?